Liquid Sunshine, a story about love, life, and finding the will of God. Chapter 27, Circles and Triangles. Breakdown. It's an awful experience for a man to deal with another man spending time with the lady who he cares so deeply for. My heart provoked me with much grief. If you don't hear from Lydia, then she probably doesn't want to talk to you, it would say. She has Jason, remember? My mind continued to reason with my heart. Those two inner parts of me were always bumping heads. Jason didn't need to spend any more time with her than what came naturally. However, I silently supported him footing it with her during the late evening hours so I could hear her voice. Yet corrupted loyalty was all I saw. Call it envy, insecurity, or a lack of faith all you want to, but no man in his right mental state would have tried to walk in my shoes. The shoes I wore during this season of my life hurt my feet too much to tread. Still, I endured, in spite of the pain.